channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a flirty Valentine's Day Ulzzang inspired makeup tutorial. I'm going to be making it a little more dramatic, and just by dramatic I just mean that it's not going to be as soft. So basically I'm going to be using sort of like Ulzzang tips, makeup tips, but I'm not really going to be doing like the softness of it and like the naturalness. I want this to be more fun and vibrant and flirty, you know. But of course, you can always use softer colors if you want. You don't even have to use the exact colors I'm using. This will be using a lot of pink, so. And this is my first time filming in a month. I feel so weird, but I'm excited to be filming again. I just need a break. I still need a break, but I really want to film, especially because my hair is straight. I haven't had my hair straight on this channel since like September or October. So enjoy this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and follow me on my Instagram, which is always linked down below. And if you want to see my other 2 Ulzzang makeup tutorials, I'll link them down below. One is me just following Ulzzang step by step to like achieve the makeup look, and the second one is me taking those tips and making it into like an autumn look. But without further ado, 3 minutes in, let's get started. I started with my face in such a long time, but we're gonna start with the face. Also, I did do my eyebrows. I did try to do my eyebrows all straight and stuff, like how the Ulzzang step by step said to do so, but I actually waxed my own eyebrows like last week, I think, and I messed up really bad. So if they look weird, that could be why as well. And then I also applied some of this on my cheekbones, my nose, and this, my cheekbone. But I am going to be taking this, some more of this, and then my foundation is upside down because I'm running out. I've done about half foundation and half of the luminous stuff, and I'm going to mix it together. Also, please excuse the fact that my foundation is literally orange. It's always been orange, but I think because it's winter, contrary to popular belief, people of my skin complexion, we can also, I don't want to say lose color, but we do sort of lighten up in the winter as well. And I think that's why my foundation doesn't really match that good. Okay, so now I'm moving on to the eyes, and I just quickly want to say that I know that Ulzzang makeup and stuff doesn't really care about baking, but this is just to catch any fallout. That's the only reason I laid it down there. If I was going to be using shadows that had no fallout, I wouldn't have applied this. I just would have set it. So keep that in mind. So the palettes I'm going to be using today, I'm actually going to be using 3, but we're going to focus on 2 right now. Is first the Alyssa Edwards palette. This is her collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. I got this for Christmas. So this is the first palette, and then the second palette, we're bringing back an oldie but a goodie. It's the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette. So yeah, let's just hop right into it. Starting with the Alyssa Edwards palette, I'm going to be taking the brush that comes in the palette. I'm taking this color called Texas Made, which is just this very vibrant hot pink color. Also, this color is a pressed pigment, so you really should prime your eyes before you use any pressed pigments. I used this the other day and it actually stained my eyelids for like 3 days. Also, you can see with this, I'm creating a wing shape with this. I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced palette. I'm gonna take this shade Totally Fetch right here, and I'm just going to apply it over top of Texas Made, which is the color we just used. I like Totally Fetch because it is like a shimmery pink, and it also has some like purple reflex in it, which I think is really cute and will help add to the funness of the look. So now in the same palette, I'm taking this color called Cotton Candy, and I feel like with this it's going to help with the sort of cute part of it. Okay guys, so now really quickly I'm just going to take some foundation, and I'm going to take this brush. I'm going to take the smaller end, and I'm just going to clean up the wing. Okay, so now for our palette of honorable mention, I'm going to be taking the Jackie Aina palette, and this is her collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. I noticed a lot that with Ulzzang makeup and just Korean makeup in general, for like their special occasions, they use glitter, more specifically like chunky glitter, so not soft glitter like how I just used on my eyes or anything. So with that being said, I'm going to take the color called Ulzzang, this color right here. It's a very chunky glitter, but I just thought that it would add to the funness of it. You know, just nice, fun, flirty look. And I'm going to apply with my finger because it is a chunky glitter, as I mentioned. Now normally when they apply it to their lids. Can you see that? I have very bad hooded lids, so my eyelids are actually damn near non-extinct. Do you guys like it? I think it's really cute. Alright, now moving back to face for some highlight, I'm taking my Too Faced Sweet Peach Glow palette. Since I used so much, you know, glitter and shimmer on the eyes, I just wanted to do a nice soft highlight, so I'm just going to be taking this highlight color. Okay everyone, so this is the finished look. I did not apply any lip product because I was tired of using like the same 2-3 sparkly lip glosses, and then I didn't want to use my red lip tint because I feel like it would throw the whole look off. And the only pink lipstick that I do have is like a peachy color, and it would not go with this look at all. I just have like Carmex on my lips, and then I took my highlighter and I just applied it to my cupid's bow and a little bit to my bottom lip. You can kind of see it here, but this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think that it's so cute. Enjoyed this look, do not forget to comment, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on my Instagram, which is always linked down below. I'm definitely more active on there. If you'd follow me there, you'd know. And I hope you guys enjoyed this look.